Thank you for your purchase of Funride Toilet Seat, the toilet seat for the kids that comes in attractive colors and quickly assemblable body. It is so easy and quick that you can take it with you anywhere and assemble it in few minutes without any help. Please follow this instruction video carefully to know how to assemble the product and know the amazing features of it. This exciting product is assembled by using these parts. First, insert the left and right part to the seat and lock it by provided plastic screws. Your chair is almost ready. Now put the waste bucket into the seat designed for it. The handle inside the bucket is helpful for picking up and throwing the waste into the waste bin without compromising your hygiene. And now for the finishing touch. Put the front safety rod on the handles of the chair and lock it. The seat is now ready for use. Enjoy the fun ride or ride of happiness.